I'm sorry, but day two, I barely filmed, to be honest. I filmed, but it wasn't enough to really make a full video. So day three is action packed, which I'll probably post tomorrow, but I'll do day two right now.
Not every day you get that view in the rear view. You know what nobody talks about when you talk about car week and everything? Is the amount of traffic you gotta deal with. I swear, being in traffic is like just your own cars and coffee, but all of you are just sitting in your car. We're all just sitting here at a standstill all the time. Yeah, nobody talks about that. Nobody talks about, oh, if you want to get anywhere in Carmel or Monterey or Carmel Valley, you're gonna just expect to be in traffic because everybody's trying to get to the same spot at the same time. It makes you wonder if you just to show up a little later than actually going on time. Go when it's like midway, people got the excitement out of them, and then some people are already taking off. That'd probably be the best time to go to any of these events in Carmel for Car Week. Unless you want to just sit in traffic like I am now. Brake lights on, brake lights on, brake lights. This guy's probably just trying to get some work done. He's got wood in the back of his truck. He's probably like, screw these guys. He probably doesn't even like cars. He likes trucks. He likes working. He's a working man. Oh, sorry for the locals that live around here and how we make your area a mess for a full week. Yeah. Beautiful though. Look at these hills. It's gorgeous. Oof. The house is set, man. Must just got here. Okay. Got the ring cam. This is legit. All right. Does this work? Oh!
Welcome to Casa de ADS.
Ah, what's up, baby? Oh my God!
Check it out, man. Cigar Circuit, Casa de ADS, Car Week House.
Car Week House.
Check it out.
Oh, it's massive. Oh my God! Look at that view, man. Oh, show me around. Show me around.
I mean, I just got here too. So we literally just walked in at the same damn time. So
oh my God!
Let's explore this place.
Yeah,
together.
Let's do it together. Let's do it together.
We're gonna see what's here.
Jacuzzi.
Oh, yeah. So this is where we chill. Look at the little living room.
Oh my God, dude!
Oh my
This is where everybody's be crashing.
Yes.
We have the IVs set up.
We got one of the bedrooms here. I think this might be the master.
Oh man, you got no shades, brother. So you're gonna be putting on a show this week. Oh man, this is nice. Oh, it's massive. Goes all the way through.
Lights out. I don't think you fit the tub.
No, definitely not. Maybe a leg. That's about it. Look at the shower, dude. Oh wait, you're in the middle of it. So you open the doors, right? And then side to side, and that's how you shower. Shit. That's sick, man.
Diddy party in here. With a baby oil.
Diddy party. Oh
okay.
shit, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's
garden,
nice.
Zen garden.
Oh, this is the meditation lounge.
Yeah, beautiful.
Right?
They got a little sink in here.
This is a nice setup.
In your bedroom.
Yeah, it is random. When you got to get the oil off
when
your
you get
hand.
the massage. Get the skeet off.
Damn. Little sunroom here. Sunroom dining room.
Oh, yeah, like a gift.
Oh, that's nice.
It is nice.
Got some crackers.
You will put this in the...
Put it up in the fridge.
So we can get the cold for later.
Got Talbots.
Beautiful.
Point Lobos views. Oh, it's Point Lobos. Okay. Oh, that's not where that park is.
The park.
Oh, this kitchen's not going to be used.
We're
using it. All right.
We're definitely using it.
Man.
The caterers wanted to ask about some grills.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, that works out.
So we have some stuff for them.
Those places, man. You got the surfboards.
Surfboard.
Surfboards.
Beyonce with surfboard.
I'm gonna.
Surfboard. I think it's in the room here.
There you go.
I'm deciding now which one do I want.
Yeah.
I think it's that one corner. This is
with all the windows?
Everybody's gonna hear you.
Yeah, you're gonna. You can't pass gas without echoing in this place.
It's got a nice shower bathroom.
Oh, this is a nice balcony too.
This is the Diddy room.
Ooh.
This is
outdoors, outdoor shower.
That is the freaking Diddy room.
Damn. Okay. Showering under the stars. Man. Oh, you can't take a shit in here, dude. They be watching you outside. Anybody on the balcony?
I don't think they can see through.
You don't think so?
Plus, it's a private balcony.
Yeah. Oh, that's true. Yeah. Oh, it's for the room itself.
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't see anything anyway. Dude, what a pad, dude.
There's a grill. See, the only thing is, I would totally pick this room, but
you think it's too?
Hearing hello people.
Oh yeah, because it's all like a terrace type thing,
Yeah,
right?
because you're gonna hear everything. Like,
Yeah.
people are out here. You gotta go shut the door. I'm like, I'm out.
Yeah, have some peace.
Damn, but this is a playroom. So you know what? Gordon's coming with his brother.
Oh, he can crash here. Yeah.
This is like plenty of space for like mattresses. And
Yeah.
stuff.
You can lay out on the floor.
Oh yes.
Oh, this is sick, dude.
AES house tracks again.
Is this you guys' first time being at this crib?
This one, yeah.
Oh, it's sick. You got a little photo ops there in that little hallway there, so you can take pictures out there. Oh, that's a dope shot with the slant nose in the doorway. Whoo.
Only thing is, the best part is like too.
What's that?
Is that
Shit, you lose people. Oh, in the master, right?
yeah, I think the mattress upstairs based off of where that shower looks.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
But I definitely won't get no privacy.
Yeah, you no way.
Like,
Yeah, there's no shades or nothing.
no.
That's dope,
Whatever.
though.
Just gonna see the dick swing.
Damn. That's alright, we all family. This is fucking ADS Toretto over here. Huh?
I'm smoking a cigar in the food.
Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, it's nice in here. Should probably crack a window, get some air in here,
Yeah, good crack a few of it.
though. Yeah. Dude, what a way to get out, man. Seeing this? It's all you. Go ahead. Go ahead. I feel bad getting in the shots. You know, I'm doing the same thing.
I'm like slowly backing up.
It's the same thing, right? We understand it.
It's fine. I got on this morning.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. It was sick with like the fog and everything.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, you went out early then, huh?
Yeah.
I'm surprised it burnt out this fast, though.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's like up and down.
Yeah. It's gonna
It
roll
comes
through
out and
again.
It's all gone, and then the sun disappears again, and then
Oh, yeah.
fog.
It's my first time. Have you usually come here early for Cow Week, or?
Oh, first time too.
Oh, yeah, all right. I was like, all right, get the whole week off. Might as well just enjoy it.
Ditto. Yeah. I have an Airbnb like 20-minute drive away.
Yeah.
I can't sleep, so I'm like, yeah, I'm
Yeah,
already.
exactly. Go
already
out,
awake,
yeah.
let's come out, right?
Like, I'll nap later, and then you're like, don't want to nap because you don't want to miss anything,
Yeah.
too?
I haven't seen any hypers yet. That's the only thing.
No, I guess a buddy was saying a lot of them show up around Wednesday to Sunday. Like, the beginning days is, you'll see the people setting up, like Lambo's house and Maserati and stuff like that. But for the most part, people show up from Wednesday to Sunday.
Okay.
So right now is a good time to, like, kind of scout where you want to be. And I guess when people start, what's that?
Kind of like warm up and everything.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I thought it was an STO. No, you told me it was an STO. No. This one's like a deal. Where's the challenge? You got
Clears would have been dope on that. It's the one that was at Porsche, that's it.
They put like 4 or 5 people right on.